Hi, my name is Alex Matias Ortiz Abella. I will present one of my wishes, and wish is to fly in Ala Delta in Rio. If I go hang gliding in Rio, I will feel like I am flying in the movie Rio. In the movie Rio. And my mom told my follow your dreams, never give them up. The dream of soaring about Pedra Bonita was inspired by the movie Rio. If I ever come my fear of heights, I will enjoy every second in the air. Amazing views will be seen if the weather is clear. And my friend told that from up there Rio looks magic. If I looks down, I will forest, ocean, the Christ statue. Many photos will be taken when I land on Sao Corrado Beach. Thank you.